You know, when you think about that on the molecular level, that could work. Whatever. Hey, look who it is. Hey, get out of here. It's almost time for the Fire Summit. Yeah, go. You know what to do. Hey, welcome to Digilachia. You know, things have been really taking shape around here since you last been here. Watch. That's pretty cool, right? Come on. Since the last time we were in Digilachia, this digital landscape has flourished with research and proven results. Look at those. We're building bridges to the future. We're sewing the fabric of this world into our reality, and we're building this virtual world that encompasses the tremendous, remarkable innovations happening in Appalachia. You may recognize some of this, but this is just the start of what Digilachia has to offer. Hold that thought. Danny and Robert are actually recording their roadshow right now. Shh. Look at it. We got a tiny house. That's pretty cool.
You know, this whole Digilachia thing is pretty sweet, right?
Well, you know, Robert, it'd be a whole lot sweeter if you just stay in the road. I mean, around here we call it keeping it between the ditches, but just, you know, those are lines of the road, just keep it between the lines.
I'm in between the two.
Okay, so yeah, that was a little strange. Don't worry about that.
Hey, what are you doing? The Fire Summit's getting ready to start.
Oh yeah, the Fire Summit. It's about to
Summit. 30 seconds to the Fire Summit.
All right, so don't worry. We'll keep you updated on Digilachia, but the Fire Summit's about to start. So with that, I think it's time. Welcome. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. You can be in it too. Okay. So.
Hey, wait. I want to be in the outro too.
Okay, so you can be in it too. Okay, so yeah, now that we got all that figured out, so everyone on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to the Fire Summit.